how to connect to any Wi-Fi without password. No password needed. Okay, so the first thing you have to do is to subscribe to my channel. For if you don't subscribe, this method won't work, okay? And then the thing is, this video is for educational purposes only. Educational purposes only, okay? Remember to subscribe first for this method to work. If you don't subscribe, it won't work. The first thing, you go to settings, and as you can see, I'm not connected to any Wi-Fi right now. I'm disconnected. So you go to click on the Wi-Fi, and then you click on the Wi-Fi you want to connect. So I'm gonna click right here on plugins, Felix, and then the first thing you want to do is you go to yeah, you go to advanced options. You click advanced options, and then you click on proxy, and then click manual. Proxy, click manual, and then after that scroll down, and in proxy here you just click proxy, and then proxy port, you click proxy port, click proxy port. Let me remind you, you have to subscribe first for this to work. Okay, okay, click on proxy port. My phone is really disturbing and texting. So okay, after that in proxy port click 8080, and then bypass proxy 4 here you just click bypassproxy.com, bypassproxy.com. Okay, bypassproxy.com. My phone is really bad on typing, sorry for that. Okay, the next step, after clicking bypassproxy.com, you just click on static there. In IP address click 192.168.1.45. okay, just follow the steps here on the screen. 192.168.1.5, and then in here you just click 192.168.1. okay, let me remind you, you have to subscribe first for this to work. If you haven't subscribed, it won't work for you. Okay, here you click 2024, and then DNS you click 80, sorry, 8.8.8. okay, and then here you just click 8.8 point 4.4, then click connect. That, just click connect. Then you can see I'm connected, it has worked successfully. Okay,